Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Haga Sengkam nakabanta ban Kyntiew bat ban kubori ki Kynthei haga jing imjongki ka Shubham Charitable and Welfare Association haga jing trilang ban ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society kala job ban sing yaga zero risk business model hapo ka Shirais zero waste period mission Mairang haga khandrik yayong arhajar arpuhendrio kumshi Bynta ka jing sedang lasami kitiar shiki khatway tadi ki cluster level federation CLF nak Bynta beper hagajla yakini kita lasam de block officer ka Mairang ublapen pau ka jing kershan ba ka jing itho e kani ka program kani ka Sengkam ka thuban aila e Kynthei bikin Sengkam bat Sengkam na yeng nak Bynta bikin kamai yaladi bat banlong ki balai luon ha ka jing kamai kani ka program lapen wandor ha ka rukom ban Kyntiew ka jing pen sngo tho halor ka jing le khot ha ka bapoi jing poi ki Kynthei ban penslur nak Bynta ban pene pensa e ka Mairang bat ban thau ki lan kamai ki bane nak Bynta ki Kynthei ki thain nong kindong haba ajingkran ka project head ka payal baja karbata ya ka zero risk business model ya ka jingtrai kam ka CLF ka jingplila de ki Kynthei ban Sengkam lajong bat ka jingdan kam nak Bynta ban punan kam byang ya ki sanitary parts hagarukom ba omdan jingta ka Pushpa Bajaj President Shubham Charitable and Welfare Association kalong baga thong kalong ban aikam aijam bat ban pentikna bagi Kynthei kin im ha jingtip na ka Bynta ka jingko jingkhya bat ka jingdon jingket khle ya ka Mairang kala kedoru bakani ka jing sedang ka donru ya ka thong ban penyar ya ka habaro ka wei ka jila dak ba penya so lang ya baro shispa iwe ngut ki ambassador ka CLF na ka Bynta ban penya so bat pen kubor ya ki Kynthei bakin la ban scam bat ban shanya ya lade ha ka imlang ka salang kani ka program ka long ka job hak balawan ban Bynta kinong shong shnong ka kinhun ki Kynthei ki bor shnong bat ki wede.
So it has absorbed the full liquid without any leakage and without any staining. You just make them go around and they can feel how dry it is.
Pag-ibig kani ka iyo kalong kung no ka kanino ka kala dry ro am naksman. Ana po da PE kam leak ra siya po.
Yes, you can see the back layer also. It does not have any staining or no leakage is there. A girl can easily use this. And it will keep her 5 to 6 hours tension free. After 5 to 6 hours of usage, they can go and change the pad. These pads are very easy to wash. When you put this pad under running water, the major dirt washes away. Then a little detergent or soap, just do little scrubbing and you dry it in the sun, clean with plain water, dry in the sun and it is ready to use for the next day.
Tada filada pilaban penangkam gani do undro ganta. Tada filada pilaban sa da kasuban na da self excel. Tada pilaban sa pilaban yukum bale ekijan. Pilaban thar hasni. Pilaban penangkam.
So each one of you can feel the top layer of the pad, the back layer of the pad. You can feel it by your hand. Jennifer, just go from this side. They can just feel what is the product. The product is so soft. It is to be used in your intimate areas. So the product is very soft. It will keep you irritation free.
Kini ki plastic pad ro dong penangkam ni. Bon ki bon ni yo ki rush no. Kita tidak penangkam na kini ki cloth pad ki lang Bynta ni kita naman kalang soft pad ni.
Now this box, I will just unpack this box. This box has a pouch of 4 pieces of fresh pads. We have 4 equal sizes of fresh pads in each pad, and it is sufficient for a woman to use during her monthly phase of menstruation. Yes, or the women, girls who play sports, girls who go to office, they can reuse these period panties. The pads are stitched from front to bottom so that there is no staining, no leakage, and the girl can work whole day in the field, whole day in the school, or whole day in the office. These are also washable and it can be used for up to 3 years.
Kini kita ki period panties ki ba dani pedangkam kini dani long kemudian heavy palat mo ka flow nila ban penangkam dah kene, nama nila dah kene nila ban lek kai sport so dah kene kalau dah gilek offers, dah gilek terekam, dah gilek pala, dah gilek penangkam ikan ni mo, nama